Hello, everybody. John Armstrong here with the Planetarium, and many of you have heard that there is a comet that you can see from Ogden over the next several nights, and so I wanted to show you how you could see that and how to use Stellarium to figure out where to look. Now, if you've been following the Planetarium Star Parties, you know that there's this program called Stellarium that you can download from stellarium.org, but if you've already have it downloaded on your computer, you don't actually have the elements for the cometary orbits updated, and we have a new comet coming through that hasn't been this close to the Earth in thousands of years, and so being able to see that and figuring out where to look is not straightforward in Stellarium. So I'm going to show you really quick how to load those elements in and then where this should be over the next couple of nights. So first of all, you can go over here to your settings, which is on the left-hand side. You can see down here, and go ahead and click on the configuration window. That'll bring up a bunch of options. One of them is called plugins. So click on plugins and go down to this solar system editor on the left-hand side there, and then hit configure. So I'm going to click on configure, and that's going to bring up the minor solar system objects editor, and I'm going to click on solar system, and then I'm going to click on import orbital elements in MPC format. So if I click on that, then I can select comets, and then from this drop-down menu I can select this Gideon van Buitenen comets, and then I'm going to say get orbital elements. And then when you do that, it's going to give you a ton of comets that it can import. I'm just going to go ahead and import all of those. I mean, I can make sure that the comet we want is in there. Let's make sure this, we want C2020. Should be able to see Comet NEOWISE in there. There it is right there. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that one because that's the one I'm interested in now. You can mark them all, but I'm going to add that object, Comet NEOWISE, in my search. So I'm going to go ahead and do search and type in NEOWISE, and there it is. So I can double click on that, and oops, let's do a search for C2020. NEOWISE, there it is. And there it is. Now, if I look at what my time is right here, this is the location of the comet on the 14th, which is tonight. And it's just to the northwest, between north and northwest, above the horizon, about 10 degrees or so. And if you remember from our discussions before, if you have the Big Dipper here, the Big Dipper points to the North Star. This is going to be beneath the Big Dipper, and it's going to stay low in the night sky in the evening. Now, this is actually at around, looks like around 11 o'clock. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so that's 9:30, 10:30. There it is, 11 o'clock. Right there. And now let's see where that is over the next couple of days. So the next couple of days, on the 15th, it'll be a little bit higher, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and so forth. And it's not going to get all too much higher in the sky, and it's actually dimming, so it'll be probably best visible tonight or tomorrow night or the next night. But you can find it there, and it's going to gradually get dimmer and dimmer and dimmer. This is a good night to view it because the moon is not terribly bright. And let's zoom in on this object here. If I double click on it to center it, and I can zoom in, you can see the comet there, Comet NEOWISE. Again, that's tonight in the northern skies beneath the Big Dipper, and this is a comet that you can see best at a dark sky. If you can see it with your naked eye from a dark sky. If you have a pair of binoculars, I think you will be well rewarded if you take a look. So I hope you enjoy checking out Comet NEOWISE, and we will talk to you later.